ASMR in nature. Welcome to this ASMR Mindfulness in Nature video. We're going to start by closing our eyes and sitting comfortably. Make sure both of your feet are firmly in the ground and that you have your arms or your hands somewhere comfortable in your lap or on your legs. Make sure your eyes are closed. And you're going to try to relax your body. Sit comfortably. Okay, we will start with 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in, 2, 3, and out, 2, 3. In, 2, 3, out, 2, 3. In, 2, 3, out, 2, 3. Well done. Keeping your eyes closed, try to soften your face, loosen the muscles. Now try to lower your shoulders, relax. Good. Now notice what you're feeling in your body. Do you feel any aches or pains? Maybe your jaw is still a little bit clenched. Maybe your hands are a little bit tight. Try to loosen them. Maybe you have some tension in your neck or some pain in your back, or you have some kind of aching or tingling feeling. Try to relax those things and clear your mind. Focus on my voice. Now you're going to take your hand and place it on your heart or on your wrist, your pulse, somewhere where you think you can feel your heartbeat. And I want you to take a moment and try to focus only on the heartbeat. What do you notice? Is your heart racing? Is it beating slowly? Is it maybe irregular? Don't judge it. Just notice it, acknowledge it. And then sit again in a comfortable way. And we're going to start our mindfulness exercise. I want you to open your eyes and either in the room around your surroundings where you are or on the video that's in front of you, I want you to find 5 things that you can see. 5 things in the room where you are or 5 things on the video. Have a look, notice it, give it a moment of attention, and don't think any further about it. Have you found 5 things that you can see? Good. Now close your eyes, please. I want you to feel 4 things. You can either feel inside of your body, what do you feel in your own body, or you can reach out and find 4 things, 4 items to touch physically. Feel them, give it your attention for a moment, and don't think about it further. Don't make any judgments. Just be aware. Just acknowledge it. Now, if your eyes are closed, please open them back up. We're going to move now to 3 things that you can hear. So you can either hear from where you are physically, in your surroundings, or looking at the video, imagine what you would be hearing. If you're outside and walking in nature, what are the sounds that you could be hearing? Good. Now, you can either close your eyes or leave them open if you need some help for this next one. We're going to find 2 smells. You can use your nose and breathe in and out. Try to find 2 smells, either in the room where you are or looking at the video. What do you imagine you would be smelling there? And try to visualize that. Okay. The last one, I would like you to close your eyes one more time and you're going to try to taste at least one taste in your mouth. Maybe you had coffee not too long ago and you can still taste it on your tongue. Maybe you brushed your teeth and you can taste your toothpaste still a little bit there. Or if you can't taste anything, that's okay. You can also look at the video and imagine what you would be tasting if you were going on this walk in the video. Maybe you'd be drinking some water or eating some chips. What's the taste that you would like to taste? Good. If your eyes are open, please close them now. And thank yourself for taking this time to be a little bit more present, to slow down, and to become aware of what's around you. Remember to do this regularly to help yourself become more present in the moment that you are currently living in. You can also do this by going on a walk yourself without any headphones or podcast or music, but just look around in nature, smell, feel, hear, observe what is going on around you without any kind of judgment. Just be aware, take it in, notice it, and then let it go. Try to empty your mind, and if you're having trouble doing that, focus on one of the things that you see or hear, smell, feel, or taste. And try to really focus on that one thing. Just slow your mind down. Practicing mindfulness every day will help you to be a little bit more relaxed and calm some anxiety and have a clearer mind. If you like videos like this, please consider subscribing to this channel and liking this video. If you have watched until the end, I would like for you to please comment what you were most mindful of in this video. For example, maybe your taste was very strong, and then you can comment taste and then the taste that you tasted. Or maybe you heard some beautiful birds singing outside of your window. Then comment heard birds singing. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you at the next video. Have a wonderful, mindful, slow day today. Bye. ASMR in nature.